Blockchain transaction. Transactions are verified by the miners after solving complex math puzzles and maintain the ledger. The mathematical principle ensure that the nodes automatically and continuously agree to the current state of the ledger and every transaction in it. If anyone attempts to corrupt a transaction, the nodes will not arrive at a consensus and hence will refuse to incorporate the transaction in the blockchain. Blockchain types. There are three types of blockchain: public, private, and consortium. Public blockchain. Public blockchain have ledgers visible to everyone on the internet and anyone can verify and add a block of transaction to the blockchain. Private blockchain allow only specific people in the organization to verify and add transaction blocks, but everyone on the internet is generally allowed to view. Consortium. Here only a group of organizations such as bank can verify and add transaction, but the ledger can open or restricted or to select groups. Public blockchain in a nutshell: the use of mathematical to create a secure distributed ledger which enables transactions without the need for third parties. Blockchain use cases: banking, payment and transfers, healthcare, law enforcement, voting, Internet of Things, online music, real estate. In banking, blockchain could cut up to $20 billion in middleman cost per year. Hacking into banking becomes close to impossible. Solve the double spending problem, reduces bank crises by a large extent. In payments and transfers, blockchain transfers are the highest in terms of security. Currently, Bitcoin runs on no fixed transaction fees, no bank account required, anonymity is maintained. In voting, elections require authentication of voters' identity, secured record keeping and trusted tallies. Blockchain are the medium for casting, tracking and counting votes without voter fraud. Lost records are foul play. Increase voter turnout. The first decentralized cryptocurrency uses cryptography to control its creation and management, create and held electronically in a peer-to-peer open ledger called the blockchain. Ledger is produced by people using software that solves mathematically problem. Issues with current banking system: high transaction fees, $100, $2, $98, $500, $400, $500 double spending. How Bitcoin solve this issue? Bitcoin blockchain has a distributed ledger. The ledger is public for all to access. Transactions are immutable, thus cannot be hacked. Double spending is not allowed because of the basic structure of blocks transaction. This is how Bitcoin solve these issues: decentralized power, prone to hacks, private ledgers, double spending.